Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of PNN. JC, wake up, we're shooting.
Welcome to PNN.
Midterms are starting. Are you gonna survive till fall break?
Midterms? I haven't even started studying for midterms.
What were you doing up all night?
Intro, please. In international news, the World Anti-Doping Association, also known as the WADA, is planning on possibly reinstating the Russian Anti-Doping Agency, known as RUSADA. In 2015, RUSADA was suspended by WADA after several reports revealed its involvement in doping scandals. Many authorities are pushing back against its possible reinstatement, as it could introduce state-sponsored doping into the Olympics. We will keep you posted as the story develops.
In national news, Hurricane Florence has left the Carolinas in ruin. The hurricane dropped up to 36 inches of rain in some areas, leading to flash flooding that has claimed at least 37 lives. The floodwater has been contaminated with animal waste, untreated sewage, and power plant waste, and is currently filled with dangerous metals and disease. However, the flooding is expected to become even worse before it begins to show signs of improvement, and the affected states have a long way to go before recovering. The PNN team and NP3 high schools send their regards to those affected by this devastating event.
Now for NP3 news. Seniors, an important announcement that the college app workshop scheduled for this Thursday, September 27th, has been canceled, so that you could use this time instead to study for your Friday midterms. College app workshops will resume October 25th, when counselors will be able to help with UC, Common App, and CSU applications. Speak with your counselor or advisor for more urgent college matters. Thank you for your understanding.
Last Wednesday, September 19th, was our NP3 treasure run, where all of you got to run and talk with students from the elementary and middle school. Let's check out that footage.
You get to hang out with your friends, you get free water, so overall it's a pretty good time.
Who doesn't love free water and school spirit?
Last Friday, September 21st, a select few were chosen to answer a quick question in order to give you guys a look into what NP3 students are like.
Hey guys, I'm Rory, and this is Rory also. We ran around campus last Friday asking students what their favorite animal is and why. Here's what some of you guys said. What's your favorite animal and why?
My favorite animal is a dolphin because they're friendly.
I like dogs because they're cute and I've always been raised around dogs.
I'm going to say a crocodile because I just always love them. Yeah, that's pretty much it though.
Is Zachary Green.
Already know.
Why? Because he's wild and he's dangerous and he makes me nervous.
My favorite animal is a cat.
Monkey because it smells like me.
Hello, this is PNN, Pirate News Network. We're here in the streets of NP3. What is your favorite animal, sir?
My favorite animal, sir?
I like chickens. No one asked you.
I like turtles.
Why? You have to explain why.
They're cool.
What's that? Another cutaway? That's right, folks. Friday, September 14th was our bowling night, where all of you were able to play games, bowl, and eat food with your friends. Let's check out that footage our team gathered.
you guys like bowling? Bowling night's pretty good actually because you get to hang out with your friends, laugh, and you get free pizza.
What's not to love about free food and school spirit?
Thank God we have break soon.
Well, everyone, that's all we have for today. I hope we all survive midterms. Tune in next week for more news.
What he said.
Best of luck on your midterms.
Bye.
Sweet dreams.